Hello and good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about your lesson number 2 of your EBS family. In this lesson, you will understand the importance of the family. You will get introduced to your family using a family tree, develop the skill of identifying relationship based on the signs on using the family tree chart. Identify the changes in the structure of the family. Understand features of nuclear and joint families. So let us start. What is a family, children? Family is in general is a group of blood related people living together with love, like father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, etc. Okay. Now, what is a family tree? Knowing the names of parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, and recording them in the form of a flowchart or in the form of branches of a tree is called a family tree. Now, I'll show you how to draw a family tree. Look at these signs in the picture. A male is given a rectangle shape. Okay, female is given a oval shape. Now, this rectangle and the oval comes together to show as husband and wife. Now look at this picture. Here you see a rectangle, an oval, again and a rectangle and oval connecting this. Okay, that means this is father, this is mother, these are their children. Okay, the extension from here shows their children. This is a boy and this is a girl. That means the boy and the girl are brother and sister. Okay, or these parents children. Understood? Now look at these signs carefully. So again, as I said, the square represents, the rectangle represents a male figure and the oval represents the female figure. Okay. Now here, when these rectangle and the oval is connected, it is called wife and the husband. Okay. Now look at the number 2 figure, oval and square is connected with an extension which connects to the upper object. Okay, so that means when it has an extension, this means they are siblings. They are siblings, daughter and son. Okay, as you saw this figure in the previous page, isn't it? Now look at this. An oval shape and again an oval shape, okay, or a circular shape, which is connected, okay, through these lines. That means this is mother and this is daughter. Okay, when there is connection, that shows the mother and the children, or the parents and the children. Okay, when there is a connection like this, then you should understand that a T shape, or see this connects to the, I'll show you here in this figure. You see this T shape? The T shape shows that it is a connection of children and the parents. Okay, understood? Okay. Now number 4. Here father and daughter. This is male, isn't it? And which extends down is always child. So that means this shape shows that it is a female. That means this is father and this is daughter. Now you understood, no? When two squares are there and one extension has been shown, that means these are children, and though both are boys, therefore they are sons of a parent. Okay. Now, when two circles are shown with an extension like this, then that shows that these are daughters. Both are female, isn't it? Because they are in circle. Okay, now let us move forward. So much you have understood in your textbook, isn't it? Now look at your page number 20. Okay, this is a family tree of Ramappa and Bhagyama. Okay, Ramappa and Bhagyama. They are called the first generation. Now, this whole picture shows their children, their grandchildren, and their great grandchildren. Okay, now the second generation shows that these are their children. Let us see who are their children. Look at the T connection. Okay, T connection has two extensions, that is Ravi and Raju. Both are in squares. That means who are the sons of these Ramappa and Bhagyama? Yes, Ravi and Raju. Now look at this circle. It is only connected to Ravi. It is not connected to Ramappa or Bhagyama. Why? Because she is not the daughter of Ramappa and Bhagyama. She is the daughter-in-law of Ramappa and Bhagyama. That means she is the wife of Ravi. I showed this, no? This picture that a square and a oval is directly connected means they are husband and wife. A straight line connection means they are husband and wife. Okay. When there is a T, that shows it is their children. Now, let us come back to Ramappa's children, that is Ravi and Raju. Now you understood that Ravi's wife is Vinuta. Okay, now let us look at Raju. Who is Raju's wife? Raju's wife is Ramya. Understood? Now, let us look at Ravi's children, Ravi and Vinuta's children. Who are they? Look at where is the T connected to? Rakshit and Prema. Okay, Rakshit and Prema. These are the children of Ravi and Vinuta. Look at this. Rakshit is a boy because it is in a square and Prema is a girl. Okay, she is the daughter of Ravi and Vinuta. Rakshit is the son of Ravi and Vinuta. Now, who is Rakshit married to? Yes, Radha. See, is there any line showing connection with Vinuta and Ravi? No, because she is not the blood related person. I mean, she is married to this family, okay? To the member of the family who is Rakshit. Okay, Radha is married to Rakshit. Now, Radha has, yeah, she is from another home who has come to this home as a daughter-in-law. Understood, no? That is why they are not showing the line. But she is connected to Rakshit by wedlock. Okay. Now, Radha and Rakshit they have two children, Priya and Manu. Okay, Priya and Manu are siblings, brother and sister, just like Rakshit and Prema. Okay, now look here. Raju's children are Pallavi and Suma. Now Suma is married. They both are sisters. Look at this. Pallavi and Suma are sisters, isn't it? Do you have any confusions? No confusions, no? When you see the T, you can understand that they are the children. Okay. Now look at this. Ramappa Bhagyama has two children, Ravi and Raju. Ravi has two children, Rakshit and Prema. Raju has two children, Pallavi and Suma. Who is the wife of Ravi? Vinuta. Who is the wife of Raju? Ramya. Okay. Who is the wife of Rakshit? Radha. Understood? Who is the... Now look at this. This is a girl, isn't it? Female. Suma. So who is the husband of Suma? Sharan. Okay. Now, how many children does Suma has? Suma has Kiran and Kirtana as their children. Okay, Suma and Sharan have Kiran and Kirtana as their children. Now, Rakshit and Radha are having Priya and Manu as their children. Now, look at this. Let us come back to Ramappa and Bhagyama. Ramappa and Bhagyama have two children. Now, Ravi and Raju are their children. Who is the grandchildren of Ramappa and Bhagyama? Like a father and mother, alva? Look, um, okay. Ravi and Raju are brothers. Okay. Now for Rakshit and Prema, okay, Rakshit and Prema are having Ramappa and Bhagyama as their parenta, grandparenta. Yes, grandparent. Understood? Pallavi and Suma also are having Ramappa and Bhagyama as their grandparent. Understood? No? Now, Suma's children, grandchildren, now to Ramappa and Bhagyama, they are having four grandchildren. Who are they? Rakshita, Prema, Pallavi, Suma. Okay. Now, great grandchildren of Ramappa and Bhagyama are Priya, Manu, Kiran, and Kirtana. They are called great grandchildren. These are grandchildren. These are their children, grandchildren, great grandchildren. Understood, no? So, first generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation. Children, imagine yourself in the place of these great grandchildren. Okay. Now you can see that if your parents' name will be over here, or let us take Rakshit as your parent's position. Okay. Now, if you are here with your sibling, okay, then this will be your parents. Okay. Now you have to think about your father's parents here. Okay. Now, in your family, if you are lucky to have, if you are having a great grandparent in your family, then you can name them in the over here. Understood? So now you see, children, that Manu's family is having four generations. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of them live together in the same house. They celebrate festivals and other functions together. They all take care and respect each other. This type of family with more than two generations living in the same house, okay, is called a joint family. Now, in Manu's aunt Prema's family, let us see where is Prema. Manu's aunt, not Prema, it's Suma. Look at here. In Suma's family, there are only 4 members. Okay, so Suma is living in a family of Sharan because she is married to Sharan. Okay. Now, Suma is also Manu's auntie. Okay. Now, Sharan is Suma's husband and they live with their children, Kiran and Kirtana. Okay. Now, 4 of them living in a single family with only one generation, isn't it? Hmm? So, this is called a nuclear family.